there is a wrong context about being broken. I mean, we can all be broken in a good way. Kasi brokenness can bring us some realization. And that could be like, what have I done wrong in the past? That is something that could bring some better character from you. So I think brokenness is still good. I would say that right now I'm still broken. We all are broken, I would say, and we just trying to ignore that fact, I guess. But being broken is, I think, good in a way. Yun lang.